Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your eBay selling activity using eBay reports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your eBay selling activity using eBay reports, start by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section found at the top of the page. In the My eBay drop-down menu, select Selling to access your selling tools. On the left side of the selling page, locate the Reports section and click on it. You will see various types of reports available. Choose the report type you need for your backup. For a comprehensive backup, consider selecting the Sales Reports. Once you click on Sales Reports, choose the date range for which you want to generate the report. Select the appropriate parameters that match your selling activity, such as sold items or completed transactions. After setting the criteria, click on the Generate Report button to create your sales report. The report will take a few moments to compile, depending on the selected date range. Once the report is ready, it will appear on your screen. You will likely see an option to download the report. Choose your preferred file format for the report, usually offered in CSV or Excel formats. Once the file format is selected, click the Download button to save the report to your device. Make sure to store the downloaded report in a secure location for future reference. Additionally, consider repeating this process regularly to maintain an up-to-date backup of your selling activity. You can also explore other report types provided by eBay for more specific data insights. Utilizing eBay reports will help you stay organized and informed about your selling performance. Remember to perform regular backups to secure your data against any unexpected issues. By following these steps, you'll ensure a reliable record of your eBay selling activity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.